Ladies and gentlemen, digital investors of the crypto space, it is a good day to be a hodler of just about any cryptocurrency. XRP price spiked to 90 cents and crashed in seconds as Coinbase goes down. I was up for this, and this happened so quick, guys. It felt a little bit like 2017. When I tell you we basically skipped the entire 80-cent region, we really did. I mean, we pretty much, we hit 70s, we went to 75, 79. Before we knew it, we were in the 80s, and then within a couple of minutes, it felt like we were just at the 90s, and then it retraced just as fast as it went up. But the amazing thing is how well XRP has retained its value. I think it dropped down to about 66 cents. It probably went lower. It depends on what exchange you're looking on. But right now, we are still sitting at 70 cents. And if we just see, how far it did this drop from 91 cents here all the way to where we are now, that's a 23% drop. So is that the retracement? Who knows? This is clearly unstable, and XRP loves to do its own thing, and I think we're just going to have to see where it ends up. But XRP hitting 90 cents, how absolutely insane and bullish is that? I know you guys have been waiting for this for a super long time, so have I, and I just want to say congratulations to all of you. XRP has been one hell of a ride, and it is crazy to see it starting to play off and starting to gain the value that we all know it rightfully deserves. We're going to go over some other amazing stuff, so make sure you stick to this video to the end. There is so much stuff coming out, and you need to stay on top of what's happening. With that said, if you're a frequent viewer of the show and you'd like to show some support, dropping this video a like helps immensely, and I'm very appreciative of all the support that you guys choose to show the channel. It has been amazing lately. Our previous video has 0 dislikes, so that is amazing. I know all of you guys are making money, and again, congratulations. With that said, we're going to hop right in. Let's get into it. The price of XRP soared to as high as 92 cents in mere minutes on Coinbase, only to crash by 30% immediately after. The rally was apparently driven by Coinbase users, as the price of XRP did not see the same heights on other exchanges. Bitstamp, Binance, for example, saw a high of only 79 cents during the same spike. Shortly after the crash, the hashtag Coinbase began trending on Twitter in the United States. While Coinbase's official status page currently says that everything is operating normally, other sources show that the exchange is indeed experiencing problems. And I also learned from one of the community members here on the Digital Investor channel, he made me aware that he is not able to buy XLM or XRP off of Coinbase. So let me know if any of you guys are also having that same issue. Are you able to buy XRP and XLM off Coinbase, or is it not letting you? We also have Bitcoin hits the homepage of the Wall Street Journal, so maybe retail is going to start coming into the space. Crypto is again capturing the attention of the mainstream media, with the homepage of today's Wall Street Journal discussing Bitcoin's 80% rally since reclaiming 5-figure prices. After rallying 80% in 2 months, Bitcoin is recapturing media interest from top end of town, with the Wall Street Journal discussing the crypto's adoption among institutional investors on the site's homepage on November 23rd. The report notes that Bitcoin has recently found support from Wall Street billionaires Paul Tudor Jones and Stanley Druckenmiller, alongside other public figures, including a sports radio host. And this is the Bitcoin on the front page of the Wall Street Journal from @DesignWebs on Twitter. He posted it. That is absolutely amazing. What's more amazing is this: Bloomberg futures and fund flows show Bitcoin is replacing gold. Now this is pretty insane. The Bitcoin as digital gold narrative is suddenly taking on such significance. Hedge funds, corporations, and institutional investors have begun reallocating a portion of their gold holdings into the cryptocurrency, according to Bloomberg's intelligence. A top senior commodities analyst for the financial forecasting giant believes that trend, along with climbing futures interest while gold declines, means that the cryptocurrency is beginning to gain the edge price appreciation wise. Now, this goes into some of the reasons why this is happening. However, I think most of you know why this is happening, right? We know Bitcoin's a fixed supply. We know Bitcoin is more fungible, more easily movable than gold. So I don't want to get into that. Instead, I want to show you guys the chart that is overlaying the Bitcoin chart against the gold chart, and that comes up in this article. So we'll get to that very, very quickly. We just have to go through. CNBC's Cramer calls Bitcoin a great alternative to gold. So interesting, guys. The media is turning bullish at all-time highs. It's almost as if they are suckering in the retail to buy at all-time highs. Now, you know, at this point, what are we going to do, right? We told people to buy at the lows. You guys bought the lows. You know, if retail wants to buy $19,000 Bitcoin, there's not much we can do, and they're going to buy it anyway because humans are very emotional, right? So it's gonna happen. Would I recommend buying up here? Hey, listen, I recommended buying when it was way down. If you want to buy up here, that's up to you. We're all adults and we all have to make our own decisions. But Jim Cramer, the longtime host of CNBC's Mad Money, has doubled down on his support for Bitcoin. In a recent tweet, he calls Bitcoin a great alternative to gold, while also saying that it's not too late for it. Anthony Pompliano of Morgan Creek Digital persuaded Cramer to get into Bitcoin, extending the list of CNBC personalities who are now bullish on the top crypto. On a podcast with the outspoken Bitcoin bull, the veteran TV host revealed that he had recognized the leading crypto as a hedge against inflation that his kids would be able to understand. What he says exactly is, I'm not a paid spokesperson for why I need gold or why I need crypto, but I just need something that my kids will understand as a hedge to inflation, and they will never understand gold. Therefore, insinuating that they will understand Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is stealing gold's market share, as Pompliano notes. Bitcoin is stealing the market share of gold as it is becoming increasingly attractive for institutions. So remember, we just read this, and I told you guys we'll see that chart that overlays Bitcoin against gold. And as you can see, we have Bitcoin being the yellow line and gold being the black line, and we can see that as gold is losing money, Bitcoin is gaining money. And the Bloomberg intelligence is basically tying this into people moving their money out of precious metals and moving it into Bitcoin. Now, why would they do this if precious metals are a safe haven asset? In my opinion, I think people are starting to realize that yes, gold is a great safe haven asset. However, the gains in Bitcoin are a lot bigger. And like we said before, humans are greedy and they're going to want to take advantage of that. And we can't blame them, right? Why would they not want to have way more exposure to upside potential by buying Bitcoin rather than buying gold? And, you know, just wait till these guys find out about altcoins, because as we know, altcoins far outperform even something like Bitcoin. BlackRock CIO Rick Reeder recently said that Bitcoin could take the place of the yellow metal, quote, to a large extent. And JP Morgan stated that tech-savvy millennials were the main force behind the cryptocurrency adoption. So guys, it is getting really crazy out there in the crypto space. Are you hodling strong? My question to you guys right now, right, is XRP went all the way up to 92 cents. My question for you guys, I want you to answer this in the comments, is did you sell any? Have you sold any of your XRP bags? Now, there's not a right or wrong answer. Everybody's cash out plan is different, and I would just like to see what you guys are doing. Have you sold a little bit? Have you sold a lot of it? Just curious. If you guys are enjoying the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell where you do get a video like this daily. We go over Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything going on in the crypto space to keep you up to date. Keep in mind that this is not financial advice. I am just documenting the news and, more importantly, documenting this amazing bull run, and I'm having a great time building this community with you guys. If you could also just drop the video a like so the YouTube algorithm picks this up, pushes it to more people, and we can grow the community even further, that would be greatly appreciated. Let's see if we can hit 11,000 subscribers by the end of this week. Your prices for today: Bitcoin at 19,000, Ethereum at 604, XRP at 71 cents, Bitcoin Cash at 345. You have your Chainlink at $15, Polkadot at $5, Cardano is at 16 cents, Stellar is still holding extremely strong at 18 cents. Even Tron is finally starting to get a little bit of a pump action at 3.5 cents. I'm not the biggest fan of Tron personally, but their blockchain is pretty good, and I know a lot of you guys hold them. We have Tezos sitting at $2.70, Cosmos at $6, Filecoin not really doing much at $29, IOTA is at 38 cents, and VeChain is at 1.6 cents. Our fear and greed index for today is sitting at 88. Yesterday we were at 90, so we are still in the extreme greed. And in case if you were wondering how much has XRP price climbed in the past 30 days, it has climbed 123%, and Bitcoin.com is hinting that the Spark token airdrop is what's pushing the value higher. But guys, XRP price climbed 123% in 30 days. That is crazy, and I don't think anybody really expected this to happen right now as soon as it did, right? We all knew that a face melt XRP pump was coming, and I'm not even saying that this is the face melt, right? This is just the beginning, but I definitely was not expecting this to happen right now, right? I thought that an XRP pump was still, at least a couple months off. So I am definitely caught off guard, and this has been the best caught off guard experience that I have ever had. For those of you guys who need a safe place to store your crypto, Ledger is offering you 40% off Ledger hardware wallets to secure and manage your crypto. It's from November 23rd to November 30th with the promo code Black Friday 20. Guys, while your portfolios are in the green and you're making money, why not use some of that money as an insurance policy to make sure your crypto is safe? You guys are all experiencing the Coinbase outages right now. You guys saw Coinbase go down yesterday as XRP price hit 92 cents. If you're storing your crypto on something like Coinbase, you cannot move your XRP, right? It doesn't mean the exchange is hacked and it's gone, but you can't move it. You can't sell it if you wanted to. You can't move it to a different exchange. You basically, it's stuck on the exchange till the exchange goes up. By having something like an offline cold storage wallet, you are your own bank. You can move your crypto. Again, the Black Friday deal is 40% off. This is the time to get this stuff, guys. Once the bull run comes, all of these go on back order. It is extremely hard to get, and if you don't believe me, you can ask anybody who was here in 2017. You can get a Ledger Nano S for $59. That's not including the discount. A Nano X is $119, not including the discount. And keep in mind that they do have backup packs. Personally, this is what I have. I have an X and an S. I have two because I just like the feeling of a backup. But if you can't and you can only afford one, then just get the S for $59, plus you'll get your 40% off, and you're probably going to sleep with a much more calm mind at night. I could probably promise you that. If you guys would like to support the channel, you can buy one of these through a link in the description. It's the first link in the description, and I get a kickback from it, and I try to put that kickback back into the channel in some way, whether it's a new mic or upgrading the setup, whatever it is. So for those of you guys who support me and support the show, many thanks to you. We also have Ripple-backed startup pushing to bring XRP to 140 billion. Gaming industry announces slew of partnerships. So you guys may or not remember this, but Ripple-backed Forte. So Ripple-backed Forte is revealing a slew of new partnerships in its push to bring blockchain tech and XRP to the $140 billion video game industry. According to a press release, Forte has partnered with Gallium Studios, Monster Ideas, Penrose, and GC Turbo. The partners will use Forte's blockchain-based tech to allow gamers to manage and control in-game assets and economies. They say together, Forte and its portfolio of developer partners are exploring, validating, and integrating new gameplay and economics designs in both existing and future games. Some enhance popular gameplay mechanics like earning in-game cosmetics and player rewards. Others explore more radical concepts such as guild ownership and governance, in-game services offered by players to other players, and community-generated experiences. So this is quite a lot here. Ripple partnered with Forte back in March of 2019, creating a $100 million fund to fuel the development of games that incorporates the ILP, with XRP serving as the base pair settlement. Forte's co-founder and chief operating officer Kent Wakeford says the company's platform is designed to let gamers buy and sell NFTs using XRP. Guys, NFTs are going to be huge as we move into the future, and this is great news for XRP since it's going to be the base settlement pair, and it's nice to see them backing Forte where they're going to get exposure into the gaming industry. And to think XRP right now is sitting at 72 cents, and we are not even seeing this type of stuff being priced into the market yet. Also, we have billion-dollar SBI Japan launches reliable interest on Bitcoin deposits. As we know, SBI is a huge backer of Ripple and XRP, and now the financial services behemoth said customers can deposit their Bitcoin and earn an annual interest of 1%. What you need to know is this: SBI Group now allows customers to deposit Bitcoin and earn an annual interest. The lending service is focused on BTC and will later add other assets like ETH and XRP. SBI assured the high reliability of its lending service and said customers could use it with confidence. So 1% is not much, but if we take into account the high price of these assets, 1% might very well be all it is that you need. And hey, maybe this will go up in the future, or maybe there'll be some other type of company that offers the same type of reliable interest on Bitcoin deposits that's going to be higher. And then maybe that will cause SBI to have to move their interest rates up in order to compete, right? As more companies do this, as there are more options, things get competitive. There's going to be very competitive rates. So while this might not look that appetizing now at 1%, try to keep that in the back of your mind that things are going to continuously get better. Not only price appreciation of crypto assets, but just the amount of things that you can do with them. With that said, guys, that is the video for today. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did and you are into cryptocurrencies, you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe and hit the bell so YouTube will notify you every single time that I upload. You'll see my videos in my timeline where you get a video like this daily going over XRP, Bitcoin, altcoins, everything going on in the crypto space. Again, guys, keep in mind, none of this is financial advice. We're just documenting the daily news in this crypto bull run. If you guys could also like the video before you leave, that would be greatly appreciated. And once again, Ledger is 40% off, and you can use the link in the description to help support me and help support the channel. With that said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all on the next one. It's going to be very exciting to see what XRP and these altcoins do moving forward. All right, have a great day, everybody.